Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
A magic missile slammed into the monster's wings. It circled just above the tree line. It screeched angrily. At the same moment, I cast heal on myself as I pulled the holy Draccor potion ball into my free hand. It screeched yet again, its voice high and piercing. I was hoping it'd drop me, but it just couldn't. Carl. She emerged from the canopy like a wizard atop a mountain.
Good God! Oh, Lordy me.
List of advice to Microsoft on how to make a good product, aka why Slack was so good. One final point, Slack is here to stay. We are where work happens for millions of people around the world. We're glad you're going to be helping us define the
Okay, what the actual is going on here?
You go. Holy shit.
I use magic eraser sheets. They're thin and flexible erasers, perfect for everyday messes, like gunk on my counters and sinks. They really are magical.
The reviews are in. Clean magic eraser and sheets make cleaning look easy.
Bones. Your teeth lose density and become weaker over time, which
Comcast Business. A first-ever combination of the largest, fastest fiber-powered network, the most reliable Wi-Fi, gig speed, equipment and security included, and a 5-year price lock. Plus, it's all backed by 30 days.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.